Untiaro scientists can't explain this. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It contains 2 trillion galaxies, each galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets. And by every calculation we have, intelligent life should exist everywhere. So where is everybody? We have been searching for alien signal since 1960, 65 years of listening. And we have heard nothing. Complete silence. Not a single confirmed signal. Not one alien probe. Not one transmission. This is the Fermi Paradox. And the answer may be the most terrifying thing you have ever heard. Part 1. The scale of the universe. To understand why the silence is so strange, we first need to understand the scale of the universe. The Milky Way alone contains between 200 and 400 billion stars. Scientists estimate that at least half of those stars have planets orbiting them. That is 100 to 200 billion planetary systems in our galaxy alone. Even if only 1% of those planets are in the habitable zone, where liquid water can exist, that is still 1 to 2 billion potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. And there are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The numbers are so large that intelligent life should be everywhere. So why is there nothing? PART2, the Drake equation. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created an equation to estimate how many intelligent civilizations might exist in our galaxy. The Drake equation. It multiplied together factors like how many stars form each year, how many have planets, how many planets develop life, how many develop intelligent life, how long civilizations survive. The estimates ranged wildly, from just a handful of civilizations to millions. But even the most conservative estimates suggested we should not be alone. And yet, the universe is silent. Part 3. The great silence physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues in 1950 when he suddenly asked, "Where is everybody? If intelligent life is so probable, why have we never detected any sign of it? No radio signals, no laser pulses, no megastructures around stars, no von Neumann probes, self-replicating machines that should have spread across the galaxy in just a few million years. Even at a fraction of the speed of light, a civilization with our technology could colonize the entire Milky Way in about 2 million years. 2 million years is nothing compared to the 13.8 billion year age of the universe. So where are they? PART4. Possible explanations. Scientists have proposed dozens of explanations. Let us go through the most terrifying ones. Theory 1. The Great Filter. Perhaps there is something that prevents civilizations from surviving. A filter, a barrier that almost no species crosses. It could be behind us, the development of complex life, so rare that we got incredibly lucky. Or it could be ahead of us, something that destroys every civilization before it can spread through the galaxy. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence, a pandemic, something we have not even imagined yet. If the Great Filter is ahead of us, then our silence is not a mystery. It is a warning. Theory 2. The dark forest. Some scientists believe the universe is like a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter moving silently through the trees. Because if you reveal yourself, a more advanced civilization will destroy you. Not out of malice, but out of self-preservation. You cannot know if another civilization is friendly. And the cost of being wrong is extinction. So every intelligent species stays silent, hidden, and destroys any civilization that reveals itself. If this is true, broadcasting our signals into space may be the most dangerous thing humanity has ever done. Theory 3. The zoo hypothesis. Perhaps advanced civilizations are watching us. Like animals in a zoo, observing. never interfering, waiting for us to reach a certain level before making contact. In this theory, we are not alone at all. We are just not ready to know it yet. Theory 4. They already visited. Some scientists suggest that advanced civilizations do not use radio waves. Radio waves are slow and inefficient. A truly advanced civilization might communicate in ways we cannot detect or even imagine. Or perhaps they visited Earth millions of years ago, before humans existed, and left nothing behind, or left something that we have not recognized yet. Part 5. The WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a signal from deep space. So unusual, so perfectly structured, that the scientist monitoring it wrote one word in the margin. Wow! The signal lasted 72 seconds and was never detected again. To this day, nobody knows where it came from. It remains the strongest candidate for alien contact ever recorded. Was it a natural phenomenon? Was it an alien transmission? Or was it something else entirely? We may never know. The universe gave us one signal, and then went silent again. Part 6. The great filter may be ahead of all the explanations. The most disturbing is this. The great filter may be ahead of us. Look at the history of Earth. Life appeared relatively quickly after the planet formed. Simple single-celled life. But it took 2 billion years to develop complex multicellular life. And intelligence appeared only recently, in the last few million years. Out of 4.5 billion years of Earth's history, perhaps every planet develops simple life. Perhaps many develop complex life. But something prevents almost all of them from developing technology. Or perhaps they develop technology and then destroy themselves. Nuclear weapons, artificial intelligence, environmental collapse. The fact that we have not heard from anyone may mean that every civilization that reaches our level destroys itself shortly after. And we are next. Part 7. What if we are first? There is one more possibility. Perhaps we are not alone, but we are early. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. But the conditions for complex life may only have existed for the last few billion years. Perhaps we are among the first intelligent species to emerge in our galaxy. Perhaps the universe is just getting started. And in a billion years, the galaxy will be full of life. But right now, we are pioneers. In an empty universe. The first ones to look up at the stars and wonder, is anyone out there? Otuyaro, the Fermi Paradox has no answer. Not yet. It is just a question. A question that echoes across the universe. Where is everybody? Maybe they are out there, hiding in the dark forest. Maybe they are watching us from a safe distance. Maybe the great filter lies ahead, and our silence is a warning. Or maybe we are simply first, pioneers in an empty universe, the first species to look up and ask the question that may define our existence. Are we alone? We do not know, but the fact that we are asking may be the most extraordinary thing in the entire universe. What do you think? Are we alone in the universe? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through one of the universe's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cosmic Truths. See you in the next one.